So this is the adapter. So version 2, and I've used JB Weld to be an insulator underneath there. I know it doesn't look very good, but there we have it. This one works. The other one works, but the problem is to get these pins lined up on the mill. It was very hard, and you're using a 0.8, I think 0.89 or point something. I can't remember what the drill bit is, but very difficult to actually get that through this material. So basically straight into EPROMing from there, and it sits there, and yeah, so it works really well. Only thing is that I've got to push the board in one direction. I can't, need to mark which one it is. It's just because it's like half a millimetre, not even half a millimetre on one side, so I just got to line it up there. I might put some pins and drill a hole for a pin, and that will help. So yeah, version 2.